I like it very much.
After breakfast, we headed to our first location of the day.
So guys, before you enter the Seljalandsfoss area, you have to pay for the parking and you have to put that in your dashboard. And I like the ticketing system. You can just tap, you will be charged. They accept credit card. And it is 700 kronas.
So guys, now we are going the back side of the waterfall, and that's what makes this waterfall more interesting.
Yeah, and even from here, it is super beautiful, guys. Guys, finally we are at the center of the waterfall from behind. Just look at this.
Desperately and far away, conquered all my needs. I poured all the way aside. Faces come out of the rain.
The view and experience was totally worth it. Oh my god. Pranjal is still taking photos. I think he's not getting enough photos of this fall from every angle. So guys, next to the waterfall, there's another waterfall which is called...
I cannot pronounce. We'll provide the description. Something starting with G. Gljúfur or something. I don't know.
Yeah, we will give you the name in the detail, otherwise we will butcher the name for sure. It's very interesting waterfall from where I have read and seen. So let us show you guys. Pranjal, you are drenched?
Yeah, I think I'm completely drenched, man. I'll have to change after this.
Guys, wear raincoat and rain pants as well if you really wanted to enjoy for a longer time. Otherwise, you have to get out quickly because you will be fully drenched and you will feel cold. So yeah, that's a pro tip for this waterfall.
To go inside, see the waterfall.
That waterfall was amazing.
Oh, seriously, it was inside that cave kind of thing and it was gorgeous. Like, I cannot say which one was better. Like,
Yeah, they are
every
equally
waterfall is...
gorgeous, I can say. It started raining right now.
But we cannot feel it because we are already drenched.
Yeah.
We will go get changed and then have some coffee.
There is a small cafe and a gift shop near the parking lot where we had a donut and a cup of coffee. So guys, we reach our next destination and it stopped raining for a while. Let us quickly go and check out Skogafoss. So one of the popular in Iceland, and I can see why.
Desperately and far away, conquered all my needs. I poured all the way aside.
So guys, we just saw Skogafoss. You can see behind me. Oh, that is so beautiful, guys.
Fabulous.
Yeah,
That's
we clicked so
fabulous.
many photos, right? We are drenched, but we did it.
Yeah, we got lucky. We got few moments here and there to get good photos.
With no one around, yeah.
And this waterfall is so big. Like, you can go up close to the waterfall,
Yeah.
and then you'll see this big waterfall, and it is so powerful. It is fabulous. I think there is a viewpoint from the top also. We should do that, right?
Yes, we are going to go there.
spending some time in Skogafoss, we had early dinner at this lovely restaurant. Next, we went to see a glacier from a viewpoint. So guys, we are here at this glacier. I can't pronounce the name. I will give you the description box. This glacier is just 15 minutes away from Skogafoss, which we just saw earlier. This is really nice place to visit if you visit till Vik. If you want to see a glacier, this is a really nice place. I guess there are few glacier walk also conduct from this glacier, this part of the glacier. You can also try that. We just took this trail to see the glacier from the viewpoint.
So guys, good morning. It's 3:55 a.m. We managed to wake up a bit early. Last night it rained heavily. I don't know, is it because of that? But there's a lot of moisture or droplets of water inside our camper van. I'm not sure if it is normal or not. Guys who use the camper vans very frequently, let us know if this is normal. Our blankets and all got a bit wet, not much, we were lucky. So now today's plan, we have to get ready and then start with the black beach.
Guys, we reached our first location of the day. It's a black sand beach called Reynisfjara.
The beaches in Iceland might be the only beach where you can go in jacket and beanie and you'll not be judged. The waves are really high.
Yeah, the waves are really pretty high. There is a warning everywhere that you should not go near beach.
Very few people around because it is 7 a.m. and I'm very happy.
Lost and no one's there, and you wonder who even cares. Oh, come back to your breath, don't drift away from me.
This beach is really beautiful and the sand is actually black, if you can see here.
And the main thing which I like is, and I guess everybody have seen in different kind of videos or photos, is the column and few structures around the beach.
The rocks, yeah, the structures of the rocks, those are really popular.
After spending some time on the beach, we drove to Der Hole lighthouse. On the road, we came across herd of sheep who were crossing the road mindlessly, and to warn you, they do roam around on the roads, so drive carefully.
Here we are, where fire meets the cold. I'll let you leave, but please come back, 'cause I'll miss you the most of all. Behold.
Guess what, guys? We saw puffins! Oh my god! I knew there are few here and there here in this area, but there were lot of them. So if you are here, just check it out, this lighthouse. There is a path around the lighthouse, and the other side where the endless beach is there, you will see lots of puffin chilling around. Guys, in case you don't know what I'm talking about, puffins are birds and they are really very popular in Iceland. People actually take tours to go and watch them, and we kind of see it for free right now, right here in this area. And there are few other areas where you can go and do puffin watching. So are you enjoying the drive?
So this is my favorite part. This area around Vik is really so beautiful. If you see, everywhere it is covered with green mountains, and then it is amazing.
So
Guys, next we are here at this beautiful canyon. I can't pronounce the name of it, but I will definitely give you details in the description. But yeah, we have heard a lot about it, and it's raining, but we are going to visit it anyway. There is a little bit hike to see the canyon from above. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we are here at our first viewpoint, the lower viewpoint. The view of the canyon is looking really amazing from here. The start is amazing right now. So yeah, let's go up and see how it looks from there. This is the second viewpoint on the trail, and you can see something special in this, the window. I really like that part. It's something very different in whole canyon. It's really giving that dramatic look to this canyon. Anyways, this canyon is itself dramatic. So guys, we reached our final point. Let me show you the view.
Glaciers. We're just driving on the road and suddenly there's a glacier. That's Iceland for you.
Next we headed to Skaftafell, where we plan to camp for the night. But before we end our day, we have one more hike to do. So we just crossed the
First
waterfall on the trail. So guys, finally we can see a glimpse of the waterfall we are going to see. Today we had made pasta with red sauce.
Red pesto.
Yeah, red pesto, and then we have
Butter, bread.
and butter, and we also have the famous Icelandic yogurt. Yeah, so all set for tonight. So that's it from today's video, guys. It was an amazing day exploring so many beautiful places.
Hope you are enjoying our Iceland series, and do let us know in the comment section which is your favorite region in Iceland. Please subscribe to our channel, Mr. and Mrs. Traveler,
And click that bell icon for notification. See you guys in our next video.